talk about fats in the body. Fat is energy stored from foods eaten that weren't used right away. It can be used later to provide calories for energy. Each gram of fat provides 9 calories, which is more than twice the calories provided by carbohydrates or protein. Fat also helps provide padding and insulation for our organs. Some fat is stored just under the skin and helps prevent the loss of body heat. Fat is also involved in hormone control, including hormones like leptin that help regulate appetite, and steroid hormones that support many body functions. Fats are important for healthy nerve and brain function. They also play a vital role in the structure of cells, being part of the cell membrane in human cells. Lastly, fats help the body absorb certain vitamins, like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. You do need fats to sustain a healthy body. The recommended total amount of fat per day is about 45 to 78 grams, depending on your calorie needs. However, moderation is key, since too much fat, especially unhealthy types like saturated and trans fats, can increase health risks. Fats are found in a variety of foods. Healthy fats are commonly found in plant-based oils like olive oil, nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish such as salmon. Saturated fats are more common in animal products like butter, cheese, and fatty cuts of meat, as well as some tropical oils like coconut and palm oil. Trans fats, which are mostly artificial, can be found in some packaged baked goods and fried foods. Knowing where fats come from helps you choose healthier options and balance your diet. When you look at the nutrition label, the section on fats is usually right near the top under total fat. This line tells you the amount of fat in one serving of the food, measured in grams. Next to it, you'll also see a percent daily value. That percent is based on a standard 2,000 calorie diet and helps you quickly judge whether a food has a little or a lot of fat. As a general rule, 5% DV or less is considered low, while 20% DV or more is considered high. Reading that number in context helps you see if the fat from this food will fit into your overall daily intake and ensure that you are not getting too little or too much fat. The total fat recommended by the FDA for an average person is 78 grams per day. When reading a nutrition label, it is important to compare serving size with how much you'll realistically eat. The fat numbers on the label only apply to the listed serving size, not the entire package. A small bag of chips or a pint of ice cream, for example, often appears to have a reasonable amount of fat per serving, until you notice that the bag has 3 servings or the pint has 4. Understanding how the serving size connects to the fat information is what makes the label most useful for planning healthier choices. This food has 4 servings per container and 2 grams of fat per serving. Let's imagine that you didn't pay attention to the serving size and ate the entire container. How much fat would you have accidentally eaten? That's right, you have eaten 8 grams of fat and not just 2 grams of fat.